Another thing that's important to know is the degree of a monomial and a polynomial. So what is a degree? A degree is the sum of all the exponents on all the variables in your monomial. That sounds pretty confusing, so I'm going to break it down in an easier way. Let's look at our first example, 24xy squared z. So, I'm going to break this whole term down. We have 24xy squared and z. 24 has no variable, so its degree is 0. X is a variable and its exponent is 1, so its degree is 1. Y squared has a degree of 2 as its exponent, and z has an exponent of 1. 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So this would have a degree of 4. But let's take the number 16. I don't see any variables, so I don't do anything else. I automatically know that this has the degree of 0. Another thing you're going to need to know is the degree of a polynomial. In this case, we have 17x squared, 24xy squared z, and 7y to the third power z squared. First, let's find the degree of each monomial. So, 17 is a number, so we know it doesn't have a degree, but x squared has a degree of 2. 24xy squared z, well, 24 has no degree, x has a degree of 1, y squared has a degree of 2, and z has a degree of 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. Now, 7 does not have a degree, y to the third power has a degree of 3, z to the second power has a degree of 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. To find the degree of your polynomial, you're going to look for the term with the biggest degree. So, 2, 4, and 5, this is our biggest degree. That would be the degree of our polynomial. What standard form does is it takes your terms and puts them in order of decreasing degree. So, x squared has a degree of 2, x has a degree of 1, and 7 has a degree in 0. So this is already in standard form. X cubed has a degree of 3, 7 has a degree of 0, x has a degree of 1, and 2x squared has a degree of 2. All you have to do now is put your terms in decreasing degree order. So, our biggest degree with 3 is x cubed. Our next biggest degree is 2x squared, so we're going to write that down here. Our next biggest degree is x with 1. And then our last degree, our constant, is 7 with a degree of 0. And this is in standard form, x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus 7.